Hey guys, welcome back to the site. I wanted to do a quick overview here of a recent build that we just finished up today actually for a couple of great guys here, Ryan, Doug, and Frank Cotto here. What you're looking at on the screen is the tbhh.tv website that we just created that basically is the major infrastructure for all of the videos and radio broadcasts moving forward for these guys. So what you'll see on first load up here is the last episode that they recorded is actually going to autoplay at any time during the week. So if you're a visitor, you simply just pop on tbhh.tv. It'll tell you that it's loading. Once it's loaded up, it's actually pulling it directly from YouTube. And you're going to have a perfectly great working video. And here you can hear the actual audio.
Ryan Pelkey from Tampa Bay Plumbers and Doug Ford with Suncoast Roofing Solutions.
And what's great is that the way the site is set up is no matter where you are on the actual web page, you'll see down here there's the actual controls for the video. So if you want to pause it or if you want to play it, it doesn't matter where you are in the web page, you have total control. So if you're a listener and you actually want to maybe just listen to the stream while you're at work, throw some headphones in, you can totally do that. So basically, you'll see that the video plays here. I wanted to go over that. The next thing is the live stream. So when they actually record on the radio, they also beam it to their Facebook and YouTube page. And when they do that, it actually comes into their YouTube channel. So if this were their showtime and a user was on the website, they could actually watch them live right from the website without having to go anywhere else. So they could just simply bookmark tbhh.tv, load them up at their airtime, and they'll see their actual live broadcast right here on the website. Another thing that's really cool about this site is that it's full screen, it's responsive, these are all fonts and not images, so everything is SEO friendly. We also have the playlist here that we're just finishing up here, but I wanted to make the video beforehand where they can actually load up all the old episodes. So these will all be loaded live into the player, and they have full controls as well. People can fast forward and rewind. They can also monetize their videos with ads.
No clue who I'm going to be supporting this.
Which is pretty cool. So they can choose from any of the episodes. I think they have 7 already. The background images use a parallax effect. So basically, it looks like a 3-dimensional display. You'll see as I scroll up and down, the image stays locked. And the website looks as if it's rolling over the top of it, which is really neat. Let me pause this. The site also has the show host section, which we actually took these photos of these guys over at their office. We were able to do that. And then the site also links out to their various business pages as well. So we can go to the different sites that the businesses that they own, and they can actually access, the users can access those business sites. You'll notice more parallax effect here. And then here we have a really cool gallery. And this has a lazy load feature where you'll notice as I was scrolling, the images will load up automatically. Kind of the similar way that Facebook displays information in the news feed. And this is really cool because at any time we can go in and take, say, a batch of 30 or 40 photos and just dump them right in one directory in the server. And the website will know how to interpret those photos and make them into this carousel, or not carousel, but a grid layout, which is really cool. It's called a masonry grid when you have photos of different sizes. So that's pretty neat. So they can actually, get their professional photos, and we can load them right into the website. Going through here, we have a basic contact form that basically if they say in the show, hey, send us a question right now, we're live on the air, a user can simply go on here, fill this out, it fires off to all 3 of their emails. They can get the email on their phone, and bam, they can answer the questions live on the air, just like a regular question and answer system would work. This down here is a featured sponsors section carousel, where basically anybody that they want to advertise down here. Rick Toseda, this guy is awesome. He took all the photos that you just saw. His photos are on there. And he's also promoted on the website. So this is just a nice little overview of the actual website. And obviously the main menu will jump to the different sections in the website, which was really neat. And we custom coded this thing and actually really did a lot of work with the back end. So this is the back end of the web page. And you'll notice that we haven't put our SEO in yet, but we have our Open Graph data in here because we wanted to get this launched for them today. And this is basically all information that's specific to Facebook. So basically with having this information in here, and if I were to go onto Facebook and I actually want to share this URL, and we go ahead and post it into here, it'll actually render all this. So the reason why all of this is rendering is because we programmed the back end of the website to say anytime tbhh.tv is shared, please show this image, please say this text, please have this description. So there's another reason why you want to use a company that actually knows how to code and do some built-in Open Graph coding and stuff, so when they're sharing links, they're getting their full bang for their buck. That's definitely really important. We also made sure all of our code was really tight and everything is labeled the way it should be. We're using ytplayer.css, pretty photo, a lot of the standard stuff. But again, it's definitely beneficial to have really tight, clean code. So this is just a nice little overview of the website. Appreciate you watching. If you guys want to maybe get a website, you're thinking about redoing your website, definitely drop us a line. You can email me directly, brian@archyfx.com, or call I'll call me, Brian, 727-207-5647. I'd be more than happy to talk about your existing site, spend as much time as I need to with you to go over everything that we can do to help you out. So thanks again for watching this video, and hope this helped you, and make sure you check out tbhh.tv to hear a really cool radio show every Friday. Thanks for watching, guys.